Hello and welcome everyone. Now we will see how we can involve the 5S in otherwise the 6S elements for the TPM process. When it is coming to TPM, we need to mainly deal with the maintenance department and the production department. Now, if you want to involve 5S with the maintenance process, we need to primarily focus about the maintenance department or the factory workshop. Generally, the layout of the factory workshop will look like this. We will see some fixed machines, maybe like the hydraulic press, then maybe the lathe machines, then the milling machines or the drilling machines, then the welding area, then the assembly area, then we will see the maintenance manager's room, then the area for the engineers, then the technician's room, then the spare parts room, and maybe a waiting area. Now, as an approach in implementing SORT, first of all, we need to move or establish a procedure to move the broken, unusable or not used equipment, machineries, then tools from the production or the maintenance department to a special red tag area. Now, in the factory workshop, we need to arrange a special storage room or a storage area to temporarily store the red tagged products. Now, initially, we need to bring all the broken and not used equipment and temporarily or initially store in this area. Now you will see all the red tagged products are brought here. And then someone from the maintenance department will need to inspect it to see whether it can be restored. Then, in implementing set in order, we need to give all the equipment and tools specific locations. Now we need to give every equipment, then machinery, then the cabinets, permanent or specific locations. And we need to use special tool cabinets to store different tools. Then, involving shine means, first of all, need to maintain a clean workplace. So a clean factory workshop. Then need to keep all equipment and tools always clean. And in standardizing the 5S TPM practices, first of all, need to create SOPs on most of the maintenance activities, especially for the level 1 maintenance. Now this can be covering the maintenance department and the production department. Then need to create SOPs on relocating. This means how are we going to bring the equipment, then the machineries and the tools to the storage area or to the red tag area. They need to create SOPs for the cleaning activities. They need to specify the tools that should be kept in different tool cabinets. Now let's say in the tool cabinet near this production line, we need to have all these tools and equipment. And maybe we can paste this list on the cabinet door. Then, to sustain the 5S TPM practices, we need to conduct daily inspections, then daily cleaning, then daily maintenance, then the planned maintenance, and likewise. Now, this has to be done in the maintenance department and with the production department also. They need to conduct periodic audits. So the 5S audits and the TPM audits. Maybe we can combine both these audits together. And always need to make sure best safety practices are adopted. That's all for this lesson. Thank you very much for being with us.